Starting a product photography LLC can be an exciting step for those looking to turn their passion for photography into a business. Today, we're going to walk through how you can make this happen. First, let's talk about why you might want to form an LLC for your product photography business. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a popular business structure because it protects your personal assets from business liabilities. Imagine this as a shield that separates your personal belongings from any issues that might arise in your business. Now, how do you get started? First, pick a name for your LLC. Choose something catchy and memorable, but make sure it's not already taken. You can check availability on your state's business registry or get help from legalregistration.com. We make it super easy to ensure your desired name is ready to go. Next up is the paperwork. This might sound daunting, but don't worry. Legalregistration.com is here to simplify the process. We handle the complex stuff so you can focus on your creativity. All you need to do is provide some basic information and we'll take care of the rest. Easy, right? After the paperwork, you'll want to get an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business. It helps you hire employees, open a business bank account, and handle taxes. Another tip, keep your business finances separate from your personal accounts from day one. It makes bookkeeping easier, ensures you stay organized, and gives your LLC a more professional appearance to clients and partners. Speaking of taxes, don't forget about those. As an LLC, you'll have some flexibility in how you're taxed. You could be taxed as a sole proprietor or a corporation. It's best to consult with a tax professional to see what works best for you. And let's not forget about the fun stuff, marketing your business. Build a strong online presence with a stunning portfolio. Use social media to show off your latest work and connect with potential clients. Word of mouth is also powerful, so encourage happy clients to spread the word. And there you have it. Starting a product photography LLC is a fantastic way to protect your personal assets while pursuing your passion. Don't forget, legalregistration.com is here to help every step of the way. If you have any questions or need guidance, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on starting your own business. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!